Welcome to Redline Channel Automotive. Here are some design aspects that may draw inspiration from Ferrari's aesthetics. If we were to envision the outside of a concept or modified version of the Ferrari Motorhome 205, considering Ferrari's innate emphasis on performance and speed. Although the motorhome's boxy design makes it less aerodynamic by nature, the outside will probably have sleek, aerodynamic lines to decrease wind resistance. An aggressive grille form and style, maybe including the Prancing Horse insignia in a prominent manner. The futuristic and sharp headlamp design was most likely influenced by contemporary Ferrari cars. Strategically positioned grilles or vents for aesthetic or aerodynamic purposes. Despite its size, an effort will be made to design dynamic and flowing body lines. It will probably come with metallic or matte finishes and be offered in the classic Ferrari colors Rosso Corsa red, Giallo Modena yellow, or Bianco Avus white. For some external components, the usage of lightweight materials like carbon fiber or advanced composites may be taken into consideration in order to retain performance and efficiency if this truly exists. Sporty, Ferrari-style rims with brightly colored brake calipers that are probably oversized. The installation of a wing or rear spoiler, perhaps more for show than for practical aerodynamics at RV speeds. Somewhere on the outside, the Prancing Horse insignia will be prominently displayed. The cabin will probably be as opulent, athletic, and driver-focused as the current generation of Ferrari vehicles, even for passengers. High-end components including carbon fiber, Alcantara leather, and premium metal trim will be used extensively. With a neat layout and careful attention to detail, the interior will probably continue to be useful despite its grandeur. Some design features, such the bucket seats with exceptional lateral support, the steering wheel with integrated controls, and the usage of Ferrari's trademark colors Rosso Corsa red, Giallo Modena yellow, may have been influenced by the world of Formula One racing or Ferrari's GT vehicles. The newest connection and infotainment features, perhaps with a distinctive, athletic appearance. High degree of personalization similar to Ferrari's, this motorhome's interior will probably provide its owners with a wide range of customization choices. It is possible that Ferrari may employ a modified version of their potent V12 engine given their strong tradition and connection with their famous engine. This engine is well known for both its amazing performance and unique sound. The Ferrari Purosangue, for instance, has a 6.5-liter V12 naturally aspirated engine that generates 725 PS. Some of Ferrari's most recent models, such the SF90 Stradale and 296 GTB, also have hybrid technology. They may pair an electric motor with a turbocharged V8 or V6 engine if they were building a motorhome with an emphasis on efficiency and performance in relation to the size of the vehicle. Given the long-term trend toward electrification, Ferrari may potentially take into account producing a high-performance, futuristic electric motorhome that makes use of their cutting-edge battery and electric motor technology.